Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing a Cajun Salmon Alfredo.
Cajun Salmon Fettuccine. Here's all the stuff. Let's add it.
First things first, olive oil, butter, garlic, and then add cream. Let it cook a little, and then add some more cream. And now we're going to be setting up our roasting pan for our salmon. We're going to be slicing up yellow onions a ½ inch thick, and then we're going to peel the edges, and we're going to be putting the onions down on the bottom. And then we're going to dry off our salmon, add our Cajun spices to it, rub it in, and then we're going to add our aromatics of thyme and then rosemary. And then put the salmon on top, and then we're going to be adding our asparagus and then putting it in the oven with some water and some Madeira wine in the bottom into the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. And just to show you, after at least an hour of simmering, our Alfredo sauce is absolutely perfect. We're gonna stir it up, add wine, and then get it ready for its final reduction while we put the pasta on. And now it's plate up time. We're gonna get our plate ready, put our pasta on it, and just to show you exactly how perfect sauce is. Look at that. Put a few scoops on your pasta, add that beautiful Cajun salmon fillet, and then of course your asparagus, add Parmesan cheese, and top it off with some fresh watercress. And then a usual flyby at the end here to show you exactly how simple and easy it is to make a beautiful meal. Cajun Salmon Alfredo with a beautiful watercress top and asparagus, served with some fresh toast and a beautiful wine. Okay, people. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.